Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. So we have Boxycharm and Ipsy. So today we are going to start with, if you missed last month's video, not last week, we are not doing try on video. We're not going to try any of these things on. We are just going to open them up and decide what is cruelty free and what we are going to keep and what we are not going to keep. So first we're opening Ipsy. And there is something on the outside, and it is a brush by Crown Brush, and Crown Brush is cruelty free. This is a really nice brush. So I've been reviewing my Ipsy bags, and I just pretty much say I don't like this brand not cruelty free. So that's pretty much what it is. I don't do like, this is great, I hate this product. I just pretty much say don't like this brand's not cruelty free. So this is a really nice brush. Looks like it would be really great for contouring. I kind of like the color of it. It's really pretty, so we'll put that on our basket for cleaning. Throw things away as we go. Let's open it up. And this is what our bag looks like. It's like orange and yellow, very summery. It's a little bit late on the bandwagon. It's got this tassel. $1 Billion Brows eyebrow crayon, and this is in the shade, oh, it's a darker brown. So I'm not really sure about $1 Billion Brow if they are cruelty free. So we will set that aside for the end of the video. The next thing we have is by Orbe, and it is the Matte Waves Textured Lotion for your hair, apparently. And I'm not sure about this brand either, so we will check back in a minute. Ooh, I don't want to open it, even if it's not cruelty free. I still want to open it. Looks really pretty. The packaging's like really unicorny, and it's kind of a darker highlight. It's called the Universal Star Highlight. Actually, I could see how that would be really pretty. It just kind of looks like this Twilight highlighter. Normally, when I get these the packages, I've kind of checked out my old videos, and the majority of things are cruelty free. It's very it's not common to get a lot of cruelty of products that are not. Okay, and the last thing is, so far we've only gotten the brush 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is by, who are you by? Makeup Forever. So at the end of the video, if you've been watching, we just do a kind of a recap, and this one is by Makeup Forever. So there are some things that we have to do recaps on, and let's just do 30% cashback. So selfie with no filter is the theme. So we have another bag. Good for me. Throw our bag away. So that was Ipsy. Let's go ahead and move on to Boxycharm. I got my trusty dusty knife to open him up. And let's see what we got. I'm rather excited, guys. So, Boxycharm. We have our envelopes. So we have House of Lashes, Bombshell Lashes. That's really fun. We also have chocolate eyeliner. So it's an eyeliner, a cream eyeliner. That's what it looks like. Chocolate, made in China. So we have that. Then we also have a Smashbox lipstick in Power On Matte lipstick. This is like almost a full size. And it's like a red tone, pinky red. And more of a pinky red. So I like that. That's really cool. Smashbox. We have Smashbox, Makeup Forever, House of Lashes. Man, this is like a mega haul. And we have a cuticle oil from Adesi. I've decided that's what we're going to call this brand because we've gotten this before and we didn't know how to say it. So we have a cuticle oil to add to my cuticle oil collection, and I'm actually excited about that because my nails need some TLC. And Wonder Beauty baggage claim gold eye masks. Ooh. 3 of those. I'm excited. That's like, and there's 2, I believe there's 2 in each package. I'm not sure. And then the last thing is the Party Animal palette from Lorelei. And I already have this, so we will see what happens with this guy. So I'm going to go off the things that I know off the bat that are cruelty free. Lorelei Los Angeles palette is cruelty free. We already know that. It says it on the back package. So Smashbox is, and sometimes, I don't know, Smashbox is cruelty free in my realm, but there are some people who believe it's not. So it's, you know, to each their own. Do your research on that. Wonder Beauty is cruelty free. And this Adesi is cruelty free. It says it here on the back. So this is just going to kind of make the video a little bit shorter. I'm not sure about House of Lashes. I'm not sure about this Bang Beauty or this one. I've never even heard of this. And I believe Billion Dollar Brow is. So I'll be right back and we will do a recap of what is and what isn't and what we are keeping and not keeping. Alright, so we are back with the recap. I look up at localharmony.com and they have a list of all the brands that are not cruelty free, like ones to stay away from. So I look on there, and so far the only thing that is not cruelty free is Makeup Forever. So this one will be going to a new home, and everything else I will be able to try and love and enjoy. And I am super excited to see that just one thing was not cruelty free, and I can just say, nope, I don't want this brand no more. And I'm just kidding. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this video is helpful to you, I will link all of the websites that I use to differentiate my cruelty free options down below. They are always listed there as of recently. So if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you already haven't. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.